are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and today we are going to talk about the most important and the demanding topic of 2024. So, the title is How to Upgrade Your Saudi License from Technician to Specialist Rank. In today's video, I'll be guiding those of you who already have a technician rank in Saudi healthcare licensing system but also hold a master's degree. Did you know you can upgrade your license to a specialist rank through Mumaris Plus? The process is simple and I will guide you step by step. Step 1. Professional reclassification and re-registration. Log in to your Mumaris Plus account. Navigate to your account on Mumaris Plus. Number 2. Choose the right service. Select the option for professional reclassification and re-registration. Number 3. Check your specialty. If your current specialty isn't listed or needs updating, you'll need to add your new qualification details. So if your master's specialized degree is not there in list, you have to add new qualification study. Step number 2. Prepare the required documents. To proceed, gather the following documents. Number 1 is your attested master's degree. Make sure your master's degree is attested by the relevant authorities, plus your transcript. Number 2 includes your researched or published articles, any relevant published research articles. Number 3, residency letter, a letter confirming your residency during the university program. Number 4 is course content. You have to gather your course content from university, that is a detailed outline of the course content from your program. Step 3, pay the fee and apply. After completing your application, pay the required fee, which is approximately 700 Saudi Riyal. Now submit your application and wait for it to be processed. Now, what is the processing time? Your qualification will typically be updated in Mumaris within 40 to 50 days. Next step number 4. Once your degree is updated in Mumaris, complete your DataFlow verification. Schedule your specialist exam. Pay the exam fee and prepare for the test. Now, the exam of specialist and technician is almost the same. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully upgrade your license from a technician to specialist rank in Saudi Arabia. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guidance on licensing exam and processes. See you in the next video. Finally, at last, I would like to congratulate Dr. Mehroz Imtiaz for clearing Saudi license exam and getting the specialist rank in Saudi Arabia for physiotherapists.